Baby Crypto Pig here, and I'm here locked into this vortex of hell. And I'm here to tell you to join old Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing on YouTube partner to sidestep and audible the criminal gangster cartel. Hell!
Resistance. If we look at the DAPT coin's not really doing much. It's sitting there consolidating still, right along with the 100-day and just below the 50-day on blue and red respectively, and just above the 200-day in green, and above that major volume indicator area down there circled in red. And the top part of that is 0.306962, and as long as it remains above that, you can remain bullish in the short term, right? As long as you remain above this level. That is the new level after this pump right here. You flipped it from resistance to support, and that is what we're waiting for, this to come back down here to see if we don't get another pump up into this region, as the new pattern is this is your support level, major support, and then you sell level up here at about the 12,444 level, right? So that's what we're watching out for in the DAPT coin. Raven coin is still doing much to do about nothing. It's sitting here on its major double bottom support from back here, right? That's the same spot we were watching out for yesterday in the DAPT coin, and the DAPT coin is indeed sitting in the same area as we're looking at with our industry exclusive pointer tool. We're looking at that double bottom we had back there, and we're looking at where the second bottom, or the double bottom, where that comes from, the double, meaning two, down here hit. And what you're looking for is at the hold above this 75,654 level, or we're in price discovery to the downside. Price discovery to all-time highs is a beautiful thing, but unless you're shorting, price discovery to the downside can be devastating, equally devastating. As you can see, we have some beautiful fall colors in the tree right there. Look at that beautiful purple in the tree, just like we're showing you beautiful charts on the cryptocurrency and blockchain technology sphere, as we're crashing the party of information, as we are in an information war and an information battle and an education need in this country and around the world to help people understand truly what's actually going on in the financial institutions and the cryptocurrency markets, right? But if we could ever get some momentum to hold here, your first initial resistance is 85,085, and your major upper resistance is 12,5415, way up there. And that's what we're looking at there, and that's what I'm going to be watching out for you on the DAPT price. And then if we go into a quick look at the gold market, you can see the gold price as we zoom out to the daily time frame. You can see gold almost came down perfectly to that the bull flag that it looked like we were in. But then you could also say it was a failed rejection up here at the double top, where you had top one, top two, consolidation, but this could be a cup and handle too. But you were in a bull flag down here on a failed breakout, and you've almost come back down all the way to the bottom of the bear flag support, or the bull flag support. Now you're coming up to major upper resistance just below the 200-day, and that's going to be interesting in gold. Can we get back above this major upper resistance and make another run up here at 1922? Or are we going to get rejected at 1743? And on the next leg to the downside, it's going to bring us all the way down here to major lower support on this bull flag that we were in, with our upper resistance and lower support down there at 1580. That's to be seen, to be determined, and that's your major level. Major level 1, can you breach above the 1740? And 2 is if you crash and don't get above that and have a harsh rejection, do you come all the way down to the 1567 level as support? And then major overhead resistance is 1928 and 88 cents. If we look at the silver's had a phenomenal pump from its swing low. You can see it came down to the 61.8 Fibonacci golden retracement level right here. If we bring out our industry, wrong arrow. If we bring out our industry exclusive perching tool, you can see the 61.8 Fibonacci. You can see we had bounce 1, bounce 2, bounce 3, skyrocket. We're up about 20% from our low, where we were down to 17 and change. We are now over 20, making another run at 21. And your next major area of upper resistance is where you're at now. The 200-day, you can see it sticking its nose in there, the green fib circle, and the overhead resistance blue line, all at about 21 and a half to 22 cents. So the silver price is coming up to major overhead resistance. On a rejection, you just want to hold this 61.8 golden Fibonacci pocket, because if you can start breaching some of these, there's not a lot of trading in this area, but you can make a nice fat run up here to $23, $24 in silver very quickly if we can get over this major resistance level right here. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing. The shutdown is over. I have more time to make updates. As you're already noticing today, we put out a few very good high-quality videos. I feel the highest quality video that I had the most time to do today with a little bit of editing was the Elon Musk and the Twitter. Check it out. Check out the other updates on XRP and Bitcoin this morning.